Hi everyone, it's Izzy here, and I'm doing a video, rather a new project. And the project that I'm doing is I'm repairing. You can move it over. I'm repairing this card. This card here is the power supply for a Samsung TV, and the problem that it's having is that when you turn the TV on, it cycles on and off, on and off. Okay, so what we found that these two capacitors right here, there's 4 of them, these two were bad. I already went ahead and took 2 of them out, and it's done by unsoldering, doing an unsolder. You know, you unsolder the terminals in the back here, okay, in the back. You unsolder them. You pull out the old one. This is what the old one looks like, and if you notice, it's bubbled up over here. That's how you can tell when they're bad. Okay, right there, you can see that they're rounded. Okay, opposed to a new one. Let me show you a new one here. I have a new one that I just took out, except it was the wrong size. You can see that it's flat. Okay, you can see this one being a new one, it's flat. Okay, so that's what makes the difference there. Okay, so what we're doing now, what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and I went ahead and pulled out the old ones. The way you pull them out is you heat it up with a soldering iron. You heat it up right here, and now I'm going to show you how to resolder it. That's what I'm at right now. Give me my solder gun. Okay, and so you get a little solder gun like this. You basically pull this up. Okay, the way you do it is you pull it up and you spread the legs here like this, so it'll hold it. Same thing here to the second one. You hold it, you bend it, you see, like this, so they stay up. Okay, and then all you have to do is you come here, zoom in on this. Okay, all you do is you heat it up here and you get it hot, and when you get it hot, you just drop a little bit of solder right there. Okay, and what you're supposed to get to look like is it's supposed to look like a little Hershey's Kiss, like that. Okay, it's very simple. It's not a hard thing to do. And you come and you do this one here. Same thing, heat it up, and you do the same thing. Get a little, see, looks like a Hershey's Kiss, if you can notice that. Okay, and you come here, do the next one. Heat it up. Same thing. There you have it. Get the little Hershey's Kiss. I like to get it nice and good on there. Okay, Hershey's Kiss there. And then you come here, do the same thing. Get it nice and hot. Hot. Sometimes you have to work it. There we go. Okay, good. See? That's it. Okay. So now once that's done, then let me put my soldering iron down so nobody gets burned here. Okay, so I'll put the soldering iron down. And then you come and you grab, okay, can you see that good? Can you see that good there? Let me put the light on it. You come and you get this little pliers here, okay? You do this. Snip that off. You come here, snip that off. Come here, snip this off. You come here, and you snip that off. And that's it. That's the whole job, okay? So now you turn around, you come back here. Okay, there's one thing I want to show you guys. See the silver here? Indicates, because capacitors have positive and negative. So what you do is the silver line on each one of these capacitors, the negative side, you match it up. I don't know if you can see this right here. This white little indicator means the white line, or the silver line in this case, here. You match it up to here so you know that you're putting it in the proper way. And basically, that's it. So just wanted to share that with you. there is just a couple of things I want to mention. Number one, capacity. You know, the capacitors have they're measured in microfarads. You have to look at the voltage size, which this one was I'm sorry, the microfarads is 1,000 microfarads, and the voltage is 25 volts. Okay. Earlier today, I made the mistake of buying 16 volts, which were much shorter, and basically they were the wrong ones. So I ended up having to take them out and put in the proper ones. So always take your time in doing the job, and make sure that everything is done correctly. Okay, so if you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them down below. Hit that like button, because I'm finding out that that's important to us. And it's also good if you subscribe, so every time, you know, I post a new video, it notifies you. Okay, so anyways, have a great afternoon. I hope this helps everybody out. And by the way, I'm going to possibly do a part 2 to this video, where I will be putting it together, you know, in the TV, and showing, basically giving you a quick explanation how to take it out and how to put it back in, and then show the functionality. Hopefully this does the repair, and we end up with a good TV set. Okay, so have a great afternoon, and take care. See you soon.